Have you noticed how your favorite chocolate bar seems to be shrinking, but the price remains the same? It's not your imagination, but a very real phenomenon known as shrinkflation. Shrinkflation is when companies reduce the size or quantity of their products, while keeping prices the same. Essentially, you're paying the same, but getting less. It's a clever and somewhat stealthy way businesses tackle rising costs without overtly raising prices. Take, for instance, a recent article by Reuters on Japanese companies. Traditionally, Japan has been known for its deflationary trend. However, due to the pandemic, soaring commodity and transport costs, and a weakening yen, companies have started raising prices on certain products. While some might argue this is not shrinkflation in the traditional sense, as prices are actually increasing, it does highlight the pressure businesses are under to maintain profit margins in the face of rising costs. But what does this mean for us, the consumers? Well, it impacts our purchasing power. According to an article by Business Insider, purchasing power is a measure of how many goods or services can be bought with a unit of currency. As prices remain the same but the size of our favorite products decrease, our purchasing power, in essence, reduces. Shrinkflation is not a new concept, but it has been more noticeable in recent years due to various factors, including the impact of the pandemic on global supply chains. It's a subtle way for companies to pass on costs to consumers without raising the price tag. And while consumers may not notice a slight reduction in size or quantity over time, these small changes can add up to a significant impact on our wallets. So next time you feel your favorite snack has shrunk, know that it might not be your imagination playing tricks on you. It could very well be shrinkflation at work. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on the size and quantity of products when comparing prices. That way, you'll ensure that you're getting the best value for your money. And that's a wrap on shrinkflation. A seemingly small concept, but with significant implications. Understanding it can help us make more informed decisions about our purchases and ensure we're getting the most bang for our buck. Remember, financial literacy is a continuous journey, and every bit of knowledge counts. So, come back for more financial insights and tips. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.